What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. Thanks for hanging out with me, spending a little bit of time with us. Got a car update. I was gonna just throw this in on just kind of highlight a few cars that we done this week on the dyno and stuff, but thought this one deserved its own little short video. So before we get into that, if you've not already subscribed and hit the little bell notification, I'd greatly appreciate if you did that. But now on to the vehicle of the show, episode, whatever. Got a 2014 GT, got brought into us. Was basically just a bolt-on car. You know, it's got it had long tube headers, full exhaust. I think it's a full boreless system. So baselined it and had a JLT cold air as well. So we baselined it. It made 390. So then, to all the stuff he brought in for us to do was obviously Gen 3 VMP, JLT, then a booster pump, some fuel injector clinic, 1000cc injectors, everything he bought from VMP in the kit. So we got all that on. Had to wait a little bit on a pulley. I mean, I guess they sell so many blowers. They a little backlogged on the pulley, but that wasn't no big deal. We went ahead and did oil pump gears and stuff like that while we were waiting. So just a quick, well, would have been a quick little in and out kind of deal. JLT catch can back there as well. Go with the JLT cold air. But got it on the dyno. I'll throw in a few of the videos here of that. After we got done on the dyno, I was taken back. I was expecting, you know, anytime you put a blower, power adder of any sort on, you're expecting a pretty substantial gain either way. So this car went from 390 to the tire. Oh, it's a 6R80 car as well. I forgot to mention that. Went from 390 at the tire to 705, I think it made on its big pull. The backup pull is 702, so we just did a couple pulls. The tune that VMP included with their kit was spot on. You know, didn't need any revisions, anything like that. And you know, hey, that's I was impressed with that. It made, let's walk over here and we'll see what it made for boost. Let's see, boost was, we read it at 12.8 pounds. I'll put a dyno graph up here in the video so you can see the before and after, but I mean, it made, so let's see here. It made 12.8, so we'll call it 12 and a half, 13 pounds of boost. You know, made peak power at 7,400. You know, it's going to be a ripper. You know, me and the customer were talking originally, and I told him, I was like, you know, we'll probably see a mid 600, somewhere around there. You know, because it's an 88 millimeter pulley is a very big pulley for this supercharger. But, you know, I think I'm pretty sure he'll be extremely happy. You know, it's a fun car to drive now for sure. So, but yeah, I'll put the dyno graph up here so you can kind of see the gains and everything like that. But I mean, as you can see on the dyno graph there, I mean, just massive gains everywhere. Like I said, I was very impressed. It made a solid 70 more to the tire than I was expecting myself. You know, the customer was hoping for anything over 600, so he's gonna be very happy. But just wanted to do a quick little video to throw up here for you guys. You know, hope everybody's staying safe. kind of following the orders, you know, keeping your distance from everybody, washing your hands, all that kind of stuff. Then we'll keep a plugging and a chugging here. But as always, thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. Be sure to subscribe right down there somewhere, that little red square little thing. Then a little bell next to it, hit that, then you'll be notified when we got more videos coming up. Till then, see you guys on the next one.